What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna go ahead and share with you guys some of the products that I have been collecting that I purchased like prior and before my surgery, and I just on Friday, I believe. Yes, on Friday I placed another order that I feel like, I don't know if I want to do another haul video like one after one. Let me just go ahead and add the pictures from the Google and just talk to you guys about, actually, because the Sephora was doing the friends and family 20% off, and I had to take advantage of that. So I'm guilty of that. Now before we start with the video, if you guys have not noticed it, I actually got highlight for the first time, and I didn't want it to do something that actually stands out because this is the first time. I didn't want it to panic, so I just wanted to go ahead and make sure that this is something that I'm gonna like and not hate, and so far I am really digging it. It definitely makes me feel like a little bit of a different person because I've had black hair for my whole entire life, and I am really liking this. It just looks so special, and I think this is definitely a good color to start off with. Yeah, back at that. Alright, you guys, we all love Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, and every time that goes on sale I always buy it. If you have not gotten yourself a set, definitely do so. I actually purchased them whenever the Ulta was running like the 21 days beauty steals. That's when I purchased like 2 of them. That tend to be even cheaper than when you buy them both together, which Sephora is currently having them in stock. I'm not sure about Ulta. So like, instead of purchasing like for $32 of one bottle, you for $39 I think you get 2 bottles, something like that. I'll correct the price over here if I am wrong, but the first thing I'm gonna share with you guys is that I wanted to go ahead and stock myself up for the upcoming year Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, and that's what I went for. And I think I don't need to say much about this. It speaks for itself. So this is that. I did a video for you guys yesterday, and it was on my Makeup Revolution, the Emily Edit the Wands palette. I really do love this palette. It is definitely a travel friendly palette. It is full of all sorts of fun and exciting shades, you guys. I really had fun creating the fall, my first fall look, should I say, for you guys. So I'm really happy with that. Another product I wanted to stock up this year, you guys, something that I actually didn't do last year. I really don't do that every year, but this year I felt like I wanted to go ahead and do that because it was like so tempting. The packaging is so great and beautiful. It's the Sweet Indulgence Beauty Sampler Set by Beauty Blender, you guys. Oh my gosh, how pretty is this? Like, how neat is that? So what you get in here is like 4 Beauty Blender solid soaps with a peppermint like scent to it. The scent on these are so strong that I seriously thought these were legit peppermint without even reading it, and because of the colors I just assumed that these were peppermints. So when I even was placing the order, I was like, back of my mind it was already like, okay, I'll keep the Beauty Blender and give the peppermint to my kids. And I'm just super glad that before I even almost handed it to them, I was like, oh dummy, that is actually solid soap to clean your Beauty Blender. I mean, good job Beauty Blender, who would have thought? But oh my gosh. And look how beautiful is that, and as soon as you open it you can smell the peppermint through, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. Like, alright you guys, so the next item I have here is by NARS Cosmetics. This is their cheek palette, and this is what that looks like. Oh my gosh, this packaging is actually to die for. I think this is the most beautiful packaging I personally own now, and it comes with a Mary Get Your Laguna bronzer, NARS Orgasm blush, along with a highlighter. This is so travel friendly, so chic. I would definitely take it to go. That having all these 3 different items in one palette was like so convenient to travel with. And obviously the bronzer, blush, and highlight, they look so good together. And this right here makes a wonderful gift to give it to your loved ones. Normal size highlighters, you normally don't tend to like run out of it like within a year, even if you use it every single day. And that's why I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the small size. Not only I'll have it in all different colors, travel friendly, and oh my gosh, the packaging is just too cute. So shades you get in here is Opal, Vanilla Quartz, Rose Quartz, and Prismatic Amethyst. And I'm gonna go ahead and quickly see if I can do a swatch for you guys. This is what Opal looks like. It's more like an eyeshadow pen, to be honest with you. And there is your Opal. This is Vanilla. There is Vanilla. Here is rose quartz, which is absolutely stunning. Your amethyst, which will give you like a little bit of the purple sheen, and there you have that. I may not ever use this as a highlighter. That's just my personal preference. So I may use it like a inner corner highlight or all over eyeshadow or something. These are actually so beautiful. Like, I love the packaging. From Ulta Cosmetics, this is the Makeup Revolution Radiance palette. This is what that looks like, you guys. These highlighters are not like blinding highlighters, but these are like that soft natural glow, which is pretty much what I've got going on today. Like on a day when I just want to go and run some errands or get my hair done, go to a doctor's office. Like, these are that kind of highlighter, and that is also very important to have in your collection. So I think these are so stunning, and I'm really gonna get a good use out of these. Next palette I have here is actually this whole kit. I got it at Ulta, and this right here is actually the J-Cat Beauty Fantasy Dreamland palette. I was debating between this one and the Makeup Revolution palette that I just did a video not too long ago, but I believe this one is going up next, and this is what that looks like, you guys. Packaging is so fun. It is very nice and sturdy, made of cardboard, and let's open it up, baby. Yes! The colors are so pretty. I cannot wait to play with this palette. Oh my god. J-Cat Beauty never fails me, to be honest with you. Oh my god, would you look at that? That is stunning. We're gonna go ahead and definitely see that in the next video for you guys that I'm gonna film tomorrow. Yay, I'm excited. By Makeup Revolution, this was actually a freebie when I purchased this stuff. This was actually something like a promotion they were running, so I got this for free. I may not necessarily do a look on this one, to be honest with you. I just want to go and share with you guys that this is something I received. It is absolutely beautiful and stunning, but I know that I have more beautiful palettes than this, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and on this and let somebody else enjoy this. Here is by Milk Makeup, you guys. Last year I was debating, do I want it, do I not? Do I want it, do I not? And by the time I decided that I want it, it was gone. Like, holidays have passed and it was done on sale and then gone. But this time, as soon as I saw this, I had to have this. I wanted to definitely give this a try. I do not own any of the Makeup Beauty like products, so I wanted to go ahead and try this, have this like a sample situation, and see if I like any of this stuff. Everybody have like a mixed sort of review on this. Like, some people like it, some don't, and I was like, I need to test this out myself. So here I am, and I bought this, so I cannot wait to take them out. So in this kit, I have a blur stick. So I'm assuming that this is supposed to kind of like do a primer type of situation for you guys. Then I have a watermelon brightening serum. I need to probably dig up like what exactly it's supposed to do for you. So I'm not sure, it's like a moisturizer or something. This one right here is cooling water. I know this one's supposed to be like a hydrating stick. And then I have a lip highlighter. This one right here is the Work Lip and Cheek. So I guess you can use it as a blush or a lip gloss or something. Last one I have here is the holographic stick in here, like a fun one. And another item that's in here is the Milk Kush Mascara. So that is interesting. So I would definitely try that out too. So I am new to Milk. Like, I don't think I own any of Milk items. I don't think so. Now, another product that I purchased, this was when Sephora had it on sale. This is the Milk Mars. I believe this is like their holographic highlighter stick. So this is like a full version of this. So that's something I am excited about. I'm gonna go and see if I can swatch this real quick. Okay, can you guys see that pink ambient highlight? One of the things that I was afraid that I would have issues with it is like that dryness, the dragging feeling, which when I swatched it, it didn't get that. So I don't know if on top of the makeup it'll do that or not. This was definitely on my bare skin, so it may be a little different. Next item I have here is the Nude Sticks Lip Collection. This one is Raven Matte and Royal Matte, and this is what that looks like, you guys. Let's go and check and swatch these pencils out. I really love a good matte lipstick, and Nude Stick really have that kind of collection, you guys. It has really good lipsticks, even though I tend to not reach for them. I don't know, maybe I forget that I have them, I guess, or something. So I definitely need to do something where I would remember that, but they really do make very, very good rich matte lipsticks and long lasting ones as well. Oh my god, This is in shade Lip and Cheek, so you can use them as a blush as well. This one is in shade Raven, and this is definitely my kind of red. So yes, definitely gonna stay up here for the holidays, I think. Oh my gosh, look at this one. So I really love these palettes, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I feel like other than the Subculture palette, I love all of her palettes. However, this very new one that just came out, what is it called? I'm not too fond of it. Other than that coral color, it's not talking to me. So I feel like I don't think I want to spend that kind of money on it. So I'm going to pass on that one. But this is something that I purchased, and I already did a look for you guys if you want to go and check that out. This is the Soft Glam palette, and I really wanted to purchase this just so I can have a natural palette on my table whenever I want to go ahead and just not like dig for things. Just go with. So beautiful. Who does not love purple? And it just is a very pretty palette, and it had like a couple of different shades that I personally don't own, so I thought this is something definitely to add to the collection, and I'm glad I did because I definitely love it. Next product I have here is the Hourglass translucent powder, you guys. Oh my gosh. So I wanted to go ahead and give this a try. I already love some of the Hourglass products, and I love their packaging, like this bronze kind of chrome effect. I really love this. The whole packaging itself, like it is very rich and royal and luxurious feel. It is a little bit on the pricey side, however, but I wanted to go and splurge on just a translucent powder, I guess just this one time, and this is a very good powder. Now it sets your under eyes without making you feel so heavy, so cakey, so dry, and it is so smooth. Like, what do you put in there? Like, it's that kind of questionable. Like, oh my gosh, awesome. Right here is a Kat 1D perfume that I've been really longing to purchase. It smells so nice. This is Sinner, the black one obviously, and this is what that looks like. This is, I believe, their medium size, and I was so happy to purchase this. I love the bottle. This is so just so nice. It just smells like sexy to me. So the product I have here is the Hourglass foundation in warm beige. I wanted to go ahead and purchase and have a backup. I just love their packaging, and I believe they were having that 20% off coupon back then, and I was like, so I just ended up purchasing like one more of Hourglass foundation stick. Right here's the Better Than Sex birthday 20th birthday edition mascara by Too Faced, and the packaging on this is to die for. Can you guys see it? It's like all glittery and very nice and pretty. Oh my gosh, I just cannot. This is beautiful. I love this mascara. This is by far my favorite mascara, and I don't think I can ever like change that about it. It's just awesome. I just love it. It's just so pretty sitting there. One of my favorite, actually probably the most favorite liquid lipstick for me is by Stella Cosmetics. So you guys, I went ahead and stocked up on some of my full-size babies whenever Sephora was having like their what is it that they do? Weekly Wow. I have a bright red, a natural color. Then I have like a deep burgundy type color, of natural pink shade, and a natural color. Here is the Stella lipsticks. Like, how pretty are these? I just want to go and quickly tell you what are the shades I have. So I have Sonata, Frenzy, and this is my favorite, Caramello, Fury, which is bright red, and Fia right over here. The very last product I have here is Nude Sticks. This is the collection. This is the Creators Palette, and that's what that looks like. So it has your mirror in there, and it has all sorts of lip pencils, and they're absolutely beautiful, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do swatch for you guys, and this is what the swatches look like, you guys. How pigmented and pretty are these colors? I really love a good nude stick pencil, and this is what that this I believe is probably like a collab with the All Influencer. So that's pretty much what includes all of my haul that I have here. So the next item I purchased is Too Faced The Sweet Smell of Christmas, which is the mini melted liquid lipstick set. Really wanted to go ahead and try out their pumpkin spice lipstick like in a full size, but when I saw the set I was like, wow, you get your bang for your buck. And not only that it is a beautiful set, you can definitely gift it to your girlfriend, your sister, your mother. Like, this is full of bright colors, and I heard nothing but good reviews about it. Too Faced lipsticks is something that I am actually still exploring, and I have built up a very good collection, and I'm so impressed and so like in love with this collection and I cannot wait to learn more about it. Like, this collection is so bright and happening. I cannot wait to experience that. The next product I purchased is another edition from Hourglass. This one right here is their Ambient Lighting Edit Unlocked palette, you guys. It is very pricey compared to some of the other products that I purchased from them. This is $80. I'm a little bit kind of disappointed, but then again, I know what I'm getting for my money. It's gonna definitely worth $80, and I really love their ambient lighting palette, so I'm really looking forward to it. One of the reasons that I wanted to purchase this palette is because it had a bronzer that looks like will be a perfect bronzer for my skin tone, and some of the other bronzers that they actually sell individually, like one I purchased recently and swatched some in the store, like they do not go well with my skin, like my skin tone. They have a little bit like too much color, or they are a little bit too off, they are a little too orange, so they always have something. But I desperately wanted to have a bronzer, so I'm hoping that this would just be it. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed, so that's something I'm really looking forward to. And then you get your ambient highlighting powders. This is something that I'm kind of running low in my ambient lighting palette because I use it too much, and that is another reason. Next product I purchased is the Sephora collection. This is their contour palette. It was just on the weekly wow. I just could not help but to purchase this. For $14, you get your 3 contour shades and you get your 3 of the brightening powders, and I just wanted to go ahead and add that to my collection and have a little bit of an affordable choice. Next product I have here is the Huda Beauty foundation, which is supposed to be a full coverage foundation, you guys. I know I'm a little late to the party, but I wanted to go ahead and give this a try for a while, but every time I wanted to place the order online, like they would always be out of my like the foundation that I'm wanting to purchase. This one right here is Butter Pecan 330N is the shade that I purchased this time, so hopefully this will match me, as I only just kind of rough guessed it online, and I cannot wait to try this out. I heard nothing but good things about it, that it's full coverage, it smells so good, and that's exactly what I like to look forward to in my foundation. Next product I purchased is the Clinique. This is their super powdered double face makeup. It is matte and medium shade is what I picked for $27, and this is something I have been really loving to use, you guys, on daily basis actually, and it gives me a very good coverage. It is a medium coverage powder foundation, so anytime I just want to go ahead and quickly get ready and don't have that much time to like blend and set and all that kind of stuff, I just go with my concealer, and then I just set my under eye concealer with like a translucent powder of some sort, and then go with this powder foundation all over my face, and seriously guys, it does miracles. Like, I love it so much, so I wanted to go ahead and have a backup, like maybe one upstairs, downstairs, maybe we'll have one upstairs, downstairs situation, so thought this would be a good time to purchase that as well. And the last but not least, I wanted to go ahead and purchase Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette for $49, you guys. I heard again nothing but good things about this palette as well. It has all sorts of colors. This is another one of those palettes that you can take with you guys. It has all your metallic, your matte, your dark, your light shades, so you can get ready for any of your events, daytime, nighttime. So this is one of those palettes. It has a full-size mirror, you guys, probably a little bit bigger than that, so it's even awesome. So I'm really looking forward to that, so definitely give me a thumbs up on this video if you guys want me to do a tutorial on that. So that's pretty much is it, you guys, from my haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you guys want to see any of the products that I shared with you guys today in action, definitely let me know in the comment down below, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys find something that you like and maybe find it useful to possibly add it to your gifts shopping list for this holiday season. And other than that, I love you guys, and I'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye bye.